Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Amazon Polly in WordPress. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of installing Real Voice, a text-to-speech plugin that supports Amazon Polly, configuring it to work with Amazon Polly, and performing a text-to-speech conversion from the WordPress post editor. First, let's activate the Real Voice plugin. In your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click the Activate button. Once activated, you'll see a new menu labeled Real Voice in your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's configure the plugin to use Amazon Polly as the text-to-speech converter. Go to the Real Voice plugin menu and click Options. Next, head to the Text-to-Speech tab. Under the Text-to-Speech Converter option, select Amazon Polly from the drop-down menu and click Save Settings. Before we proceed, you'll need the access key ID and secret access key for Amazon Polly. To get these credentials, log in to your AWS Management Console, open the IAM section, navigate to the Credentials Management area for users, and retrieve or create the keys. Back in the Real Voice plugin, enter the access key ID and secret access key in the corresponding fields. You can also configure additional options for Amazon Polly to customize the text-to-speech conversion process. These options include Region. With this option, you can select the AWS region where the audio files will be created. Voice ID. Use this option to choose the specific Amazon Polly voice that will narrate the text. Engine. With this setting, you can decide whether to use the standard engine or the advanced neural engine for higher quality audio. Language. This option allows you to specify the language code supported by Amazon Polly that matches your content. Lexicon names. Use this feature to provide one or more custom pronunciation lexicons for greater control over speech synthesis. Output format. With this setting, you can select the audio format. With Amazon Polly configured, let's perform a text-to-speech conversion. Open any post in the WordPress editor. Here you'll notice a new sidebar section added by the Real Voice plugin. Use the dedicated button to perform the conversion. The plugin will convert the text into audio using Amazon Polly. When an audio file is available for the post, an audio player will automatically be added to the post on the front end.
As we look ahead to 2025, the investment landscape continues to evolve rapidly. With technological advancements, global economic shifts, and changing consumer behaviors,
if the test is successful, you're all set to start using Amazon Polly to create spoken audio from your content. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials and settings or consult the plugin's documentation for troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using Amazon Polly with the Real Voice plugin for WordPress. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.